there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture YouTube ads data in Formsite so that you can track which campaigns and ads are generating your leads. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into hidden fields in the form, and the data is captured by your form tool and can be sent to your CRM and other tools. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your YouTube ads, how many customers you got from each campaign, and how much revenue you generated from each ad you're running. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. Depending on what website builder you use, you should just be able to copy it, go to the settings section of your site, and paste it in. You can also add it via Google Tag Manager as well. Now go to the form you want Attributor to work with and drag and drop 6 hidden fields into your form. Once added, open them up and give them a name and a default value. You can see the exact names and values you need to enter in the help article on the Attributor website. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your site, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured by Formsite. You can then include this information in your lead notification emails, store it in a spreadsheet, send it to your CRM, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.